Welcome to Mrs. Meyer's garden.
What's wrong, Miss Peony?
I don't know, really.
Are you wilting?
No.
Are your roots hurting?
No.
Did a butterfly tease you again?
Gosh, I don't think so. I just feel kind of sad.
Oh, geez. I feel sad, too.
You know what I do when I feel sad? I'm kind to someone. It always makes me feel better.
How?
Caring for someone is like a switch that turns on your own happiness. It can be something small, too, like telling someone you like their leaves.
Basil, you look very leafy today.
Gee, thanks.
It worked. I feel better already.
Oh, so do I.
That's what kindness does. Once you plant the seed, it grows and grows.